morning, Swati Nation. Good morning, guys. Sanbonani Ninchaini Makaya Nivugile. Happy Saturday, you guys. Happy new day. We're better today. We're feeling better. Just took a shower. That's why I'm feeling like I'm awake. Ngivugile. Right, Nje. I'm feeling okay. Yesterday. Ciao. Yesterday we got here, I think at like 9. So it was really late. I was so tired. I was so hungry. Everything was just on me. The time right now is currently 7:10. We're gonna have like breakfast. I think it's gonna be the herbal tea and a shake, and then we're gonna go hike at 8. So yeah, man, I just wanted to introduce this day, and I'm better. Right today, better than yesterday. Okay guys, so we just had breakfast. We're about to like start with our hike. We're about to go. We're just waiting for others to just, you know, do their things, and then we're leaving. I don't know how I'm gonna do it honestly because this flu is doing the most, but we're gonna do it anyways. Like we're gonna do it. We on a 14.5 kilometer hike, which is approximately 4.5 to 5 hours. Imagine 5 hours walking, hiking, not even walking, hiking. So asazi man, zobonakala khona join. Zobonakala khona man sisihamba njani. Already the girl is down and we've been walking I think for like 10 minutes. So oh child. Fayo into engisho inayo boyithwayini hayi sham. Okay. Into engishonayo angiyazi sham. I had to even khumula my jersey because child, it is way too hot. It is so hot, and my bed is also about to die. So child, I don't see you on my chain, so I'm buying a chain. But then Diabuya. Ha.
Aw team reverse. Aw siyehla kanje. Siyehla ngama reverse. Aw Nkosi yami. Hayi no sibonga istrategy esi right. Siyasipana le strategy. Hayi ngiqala ngazo. Yeah. Kuyayehlela kahle.
You guys. Mene. Lo. Nokwazi Charmaine Corners. If you'll ever hear me talking about hiking, unsubscribe please. Just unsubscribe to my channel. If you have my numbers, delete my numbers. If you're following me on Instagram, and unfollow me. If you're my friend on Facebook, unfriend me, because you guys, never ever again in my life angeke ngiphindze Sure. Abona ngakashoni namuhla, phinzanga ngashona. And to think about it, Goguti Mina, I got a lift because obviously my situation, I'm having a flu and there was a point where I felt like I'm gonna vomit blood. Have you ever like been tired and Sfuba Sako cannot take breath anymore? That was me. Besing China, Bengifa. So like I got a lift coming back. And thinking about it, Goguti, those people who are still coming still have about 1 hour 30 minutes to get here. Right now I'm just thinking about my cousin because the last time ngimbona bekaze sekakhumbule nemateki, like she was walking barefoot. So Anaki Sharp Shem. Ha! Oh Shem, if you're thinking about going hiking, don't do it. Like I won't even advise you. I know it's healthy, I know it's good for your health, I know everything. Like it's a great experience. Like in a therapy type of vibe, like going laphakathi etintsabeni and stuff, it's cool, like it's okay, it's nice. But I feel like 5 kilometers is enough, not 14.5. Nami ngiyahlanya nje. There's no way. That was my first hike and then poo, 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 poo. How can I do 14.5 kilometers? Yo. Shemanaki sharp. Nah. I'm okay, right. I'm just feeling sorry for my cousin. Hey, I'm feeling sorry for my cousin because I know like I was gonna get her. You guys, I work out like from Monday to Friday. You all know that I work out. Like I'm kind of fit, but today's hike prove ukuthi nangazi you're not fit. But to fit, then you're not. You know what? Let me go take a shower and then rest a bit. Just rest before these people get here, which is like 1 hour 30 minutes. I still have a lot of time, but yo, I'm even full. I don't see myself doing anything now. I think I'm gonna just sleep, but there's no way I'm gonna sleep because we still have a party. Yo, tinyawo dami. Guys, ngicela nibuke my sneakers. Do you all remember what I was thinking of washing my sneakers? Thank God I didn't wash them because just look at this. Look how dirty they are. Yo. And I say I think I say I'll see y'all. Who Same when I'm Chinese, same when I'm Chinese. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling better. That shower really did work, hey. That shower really did a good job. Oh, Kaslatako. Okay, so hi guys. Future no guys will feel alright. Who's feeling so much better, but Dinyao still dear complainer. I'm wearing these glasses here because I look like my problems. My eyes are so swollen. I don't know why, child. But flu. So right now, child, I have to go to the kitchen and see if they need help, like in terms of chopping the onions, the tomatoes, just there. The niggas, the guys, they got the meat. They're doing the meat, the braise, and everything. So I want to go to the kitchen, see how they're doing. You guys, I'm just waiting for that moment where I'm gonna have a brutal fruit and I'm gonna take the first sip with you guys because ciao, ngifuna nje ishaye. Bawo wam, I can't wait for that moment because I've been waiting for it. That hike did the most. And I know I said I'm not advising anyone to go hiking, but now I do advise you all to go hiking because after that shower I realized that okay, it was hard but worth it because I feel so good except the fact that my legs are so swollen and so painful. But nonetheless, child, I don't look like my problems. I tried to lay down my edges and whatever. My skin is doing better, child. But let's something like isikhathi sesifikile. I'm about to take my first sip. Oh, child, I'm so happy. Oh, child, I needed this. Brutal Fruit did something here. Child, the flavors. Everything is just communicating. They're done there in the kitchen. They did all the salads. That guy cooked the pap. Those other guys are busy doing the meat that side. So, Paul and Jake Jabule go be right. One I'm so annoying. Coronavirus. No, bitch. And you never seen them up. Iyathiwa Mzodwa. Hello? Zodwa. Yeah. Olabantu. Ebathroom ayikho khona.
Sunshine.
I'm obviously sitting by the sun, waiting for Mama Spade to finish making breakfast. Today I'm not gonna have my shake, I'm gonna have like real food. I'm having herbal tea and Pro Coke because my flu today is doing the most, child. So cheers, Mama.
Yeah, Majida. Or on the music in my phone.
Ooh,
the mintiness.
yeah. But ifana ni alcoholics mara.
Actually, now that you say it, yeah.
Alcoholics mara leye a private school. Ngalo ngicela class into dash ke. Asibonge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all, ciao, on my next video. I don't know why, but I'm not feeling okay, man. I think maybe because I had 2 shots of Jaeger and then after that I had a Gordon's. So my body maybe is rejecting the alcohol that I had today because ciao, and the fact that so ciao. Yeah, man, I hope y'all did enjoy this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.